the difference between the night sky and the black eagle smoke. Should be able to see a little bit of it. Should really be able to
I gotta work. Find my practice squad at the top of the world. Hope I don't break.
Attention all the fun guys who have registered.
What's your dad?
There are 3 trucks in this class. 3 trucks in this 4 trucks in this class. Please get to your vehicles and start lining up. Everybody's in the fun truck class. You already know your numbers. You're going to start with number 1 and work all the way up to 12 trucks. Just make sure you don't get in line and go over your cab. Thank you very much.
Come on.
Once again, this is Derek LeBoy in a 92 Dodge, 2500, 5.9 liter. He's building the boost and the turbo. Probably have to, I'm not quite sure. Black smoke starts, and he's going to start rolling on it a little harder.